Do you guys want to learn how to do this? Make sure you watch all the whole video.
Hello you guys, how are you guys doing? Hallelujah somebody. Today we are going to be making some smoothie. I need to feed all these people in my house and give them some good smoothie because they are always on bread. They love bread like never before. So let's get into it. I have here my bananas, I have apple and pears, lemon, and I have here Greek yogurt and water. So let's start the process. So I'm going to get everything washed and peeled. So let me get into it. So I get my banana peeled and I'm throwing it in my blender. Pour in my lemon. So I'm going to be adding in my yogurt, my Greek yogurt. And I will add in water to half of my blender. So I'm going to be blending now, so you'll be hearing some noise. So that's it. So we're ready to serve. Pour it in a jug. And I'm going to be pouring it in here. For those that will help me test. Wow.
Hi. So I don't want helping her do the testing because she's fasting. I recommend it. Wow. Delicious, refreshing. Yes. Make sure you like, share and subscribe and turn on the
your post
notification.
notification.
Bye.